Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs tour. Today I'm taking a quick look here at this brand new 2025 Chaparral 389DEK fifth wheel built by Coachmen RV. This thing's pretty cool. It is a triple slide out, kind of a rear living room style setup, but it has this deck area back here with its own little sectional setup here for entertainment. So let's step inside here real quick. We'll go through the inside and we'll come back out to the outside. But you have a nice little doorway area here to take you up to the deck area. So even with the deck closed, I could still come back here to this section and get something out of the cabinets or the mini fridge or something along those lines basically. But just kind of looking back here, you can see you're going to have a few drawers, some storage space, and a nice little mini fridge set up there. You have a smart TV, you have a sink here with hot and cold, and you also have just right down there a cold water spray port as well. You are going to have a little overhead cabinet space, a nice little doorway area there to take you in and out of this section. There's heat that blows out down there also. There's also AC ducts that blow out back here too. And then just kind of looking up right here, you can see there's a large pull down screen to kind of screen this area off if you want it to be down, but maybe kind of keep the bugs out a little bit from this section. And then you are going to have a set of steps. There's a little gate area right there. There's a set of steps that you can drop in right there and basically be able to walk off the back. You do have a nice little power awning up here, and it does have that LED light strip built in as well. But what do you guys think of this portion right here? Is this something you think you would use with it just being kind of a little flip up and down deck area here versus your traditional like toy hauler style where they do these type of decks? I think it's pretty neat. All right, let's go inside. There's your button for your power awning back here. Some light switch buttons as well. Stepping into the RV right here, you are going to kind of step into your living room area, and then you're going to go on into your kitchen area. But let's do the living room area first. So you're going to have some overhead cabinets up above, one of the GE ACs. Sofa down here will flip out and make into a bed. So if you have an extra guest or two, that would be a good place for them to crash out. You're going to have a theater seat over here on one of your slides. Nice large windows there. All of those windows do open and have night roller shades on them. You got your traditional dinette table there with 4 chairs. They do have that woven material that you find on a lot of pontoon boats and stuff instead of lino and carpet on their slide. But your theater seat here is actually looking right over here at your entertainment area. So you're going to have an electric fireplace, which is basically a fancy electric space heater. Got a JBL sound bar there, another smart TV right here as well. Over here, you're going to have a little closet area. There's an electric outlet back there too. So if you got that little portable vacuum, you could plug it in and charge it up in there. And then over here on this side, you'll have kind of a pantry area with a few drawers. There's an electric outlet in there as well, motion light also. But a nice little setup there for a pantry. Looking up at the ceiling area there. So you got one AC here, another one just up there a little bit further. You're going to have an island area right here. There's an electric outlet on the backside, couple bar stools to go there as well. Very nice solid surface countertops. Some storage underneath of that island. And over here you have your GE oven. You're going to have your little trash can area there. There's a drawer down below there as well. And then you have a GE microwave. The big Furrion 12-volt refrigerator here, very nice. Then over on this side, you're going to have your sink area. Again, very nice solid surface countertops with the matching sink covers, some drawers and cabinet space. But what do you guys think of the colors and stuff in here? Do you like, you know, the flooring, the wall boards, wood tones and stuff? What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. A little different backsplash kind of going on there. A nice look. Your traditional RV entry door and screen door right here. This is your main entry exit way. You will have a window there that is Lippert thin shade ready. There's an aftermarket shade you can buy for that if you want. You're gonna have a control panel here for your 3 slides and your main side awning. Again, the rear awning is in the back. You're gonna have a couple light switches, monitor panel for your holding tanks, water pump, entryway light, 12-volt heated holding tanks for cold weather camping. It does have an enclosed underbelly, and again, 12-volt heat pads, some light switches. And over here, you have a little coat closet, so you can hang up a couple coats. Little floating step action going on there, so you could maybe kick your shoes underneath of there out of the way when you come in. And you also have an electric box with the breakers and fuses down below. Now this is pretty cool. We got a dual vanity bathroom setup here. So you have a large medicine cabinet area going across with 3 doors there. The on-demand water heater controls, few electric outlets, and again, a dual vanity setup here for you and your partner. And you also have a little bit nicer, kind of a porcelain style sink instead of the cheap plastic stuff. You're gonna have storage and drawer space, porcelain commode, AC ducts in here as well. Nice big shower area here. You do have heat duct down below also. But there's plenty of room in this bathroom to be able to come in here and actually get undressed and take a shower and get in and out comfortably. Lock on the bathroom door also. That's kind of nice. A lot of RVs don't have locks on their bathroom doors. Then you go up a little bit further into your bedroom area here. And third AC on this one. This one was ordered with 3 GE ACs. So up here, you're going to have a little bit of shelf space with an electric outlet up there above the headboard. You also have a window on each side that open, individually controlled lights on each side. You got a little cup holder on each side as well. And then you will have some storage underneath of this Camper King bed. TV hookups over here. You have your little dresser area here. There's USB charger port and electric outlet on the side. And then this does flip up and has a little bit of hidden storage underneath there. You're going to have a large closet here across the front. Now, they set this up so you could do a washer dryer, kind of a side-by-side deal if you wanted to, or you could do a combo washer dryer here and give yourself a little more closet space if you don't want to do these separate setup. But a large closet area here with a lot of hanging closet and a little bit of shelf space that runs across the front of this. But you figure this RV's roughly about 8 feet wide. You're losing a few inches for wall space on each side. So you're probably looking at somewhere around like 7.5 foot of closet bar space there. All right, guys, thanks for sticking with me so far through this part of the video. Now let's head outside. I want to show you around the outside. Oh, I did almost forget. It is prepped right there for a Wi-Fi connector by Gateway. It's a WineGuard, actually, Air 360 Plus TV antenna system that's on the RV. And that would allow you to buy aftermarket the WineGuard Gateway Connect and actually allow you to subscribe to like an AT&T or Verizon wireless internet system kind of thing. You get this little Gateway Connect with a little card thing that you can subscribe to and basically use your TV antenna system to help bring in Wi-Fi. It's kind of cool. Check that out too. All right, to the outside right here, we're going to have a one-piece aluminum studded foam block insulated sidewall with the upgraded Asdale composite material instead of the cheap wood Luan backers. So a very nice wall construction. It's 2 inches thick. You're going to have a lower black metal skirting, some vinyl graphics. You do have deep tint safety glass windows. JBL speaker out here. You have a large power awning with the LED light strip built in, manual override in the front arm head in case of an electronic failure, and you have adjustable arms for tilting. The unit is prepped for a camera system also. So it's pre-prepped right here for a side camera down each side and then one on the back as well. You're going to have a large pass-through storage area here. That's the steps I was referring to when I was talking about the steps back there for the porch area. So that's where they are currently. You set them up or place them where you want. You're going to have two 30-pound propane tanks, one on this side and then one on the other side as well. You're going to have the heavy-duty Lippert solid entrance step. Flips in the doorway when traveling, comes down, touches the ground, adjustable feet. Large folding entry handle right there. It is a dual axle unit, aluminum wheels, drum brakes, has easy lube hubs. It does also have the Road Armor upgraded suspension system there, which kind of acts like a shock absorber. You're going to have a 4-point electric auto level jack system. So you have your 2 front landing gears, and then you have 2 jacks right behind the wheels here. And again, it is a 4-point auto level system. Just down below is going to be your spare tire area under there. And you also have a gas line hookup right back here. So you could plug in a portable grill or something if you wanted to. It is also prepped here on the side for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder system. It's a very nice aftermarket ladder that you can buy. Basically telescopes up, hooks on, and then allows you to get up onto your roof to do your inspections of your seams and seals and things. It's very important to make sure you maintain your RV roof. Now you can kind of see this area from down here a little bit. It's pretty cool. Again, a very nice little deck area. Going to have the traditional quad hover step back here with the aluminum tread plates. RV entry door and screen door. Now just down below right there is going to be a little drain area for the back sinks and stuff. Moving along here, we are going to have the stove exhaust vent up here. Then just up in front of the axle, or in front of the wheels and stuff up here, you're gonna have another dump area right here. This is your main dump area up this section. Your detachable 50 amp power cord right here. Your furnace exhaust out right here. Your on-demand water heater also located right here. Now another thing you might consider is slide out awning covers. Those are pretty cool. They are basically awnings that roll in and out with the room as it moves. And it basically helps shed the room. It helps shade the room. It also helps shed water, leaves, twigs, debris, that type of stuff. But it is pretty nice at the fact that it shades the top of the room and stuff, trying to help keep it a little bit cooler, as slide out roofs are not as thick as the main roof on RVs. So they do heat up a little more than your traditional, usually 5-inch thick roof on the main RV section. So you're going to have a docking station area on this side where you have a couple waste valves there. You're going to have your light area here. There's also an electric outlet down here. You have your black tank flush for cleaning out your toilet system. Your water inlet here. Then you decide where you want the water to go by these valves. So you can fill your portable water, you can use city water, you can winterize, whatever you're trying to do here. Hot and cold utility shower, winterization hose set up here, and then you got your cable satellite inlets here. There's a little access panel right here so you can look in behind there, make sure things are working properly from time to time. You got your battery disconnect here, your auto level jack controls, and a light switch for some cap lights, all right there. This baggage door is a swing style instead of a flip style. So a little different there. It's kind of nice that it swings so it don't interfere with the bed slide. Right here, you are going to have, 30-pound propane tank here with the auto changeover regulator. You got, looks like here they put down 125 foot-pounds of torque for your lug stuff here. You're going to have your dry weight of 12,700 pounds with these options when it rolled off the factory line. Exterior length 42 feet 4 inches. Gross weight of 14,500 pounds. Do not exceed that number. This particular unit was built 12/12 of 24. Tire size, ST 235 80R 16G range tires with a 110 PSI cold. Very, very important to keep up with your tire pressure when traveling with any RV. Step back here so you can see down the whole side a little bit better. You do have a very bubbled out front cap here, so it does have kind of a nice slope to it. Again, kind of bubbles out so that it's hopefully a little bit more aerodynamic than those traditional flat fronts. You're going to have a little storage area down here for battery compartment, solar charge controller back in there. Again, quick pull pins on your front landing gear. You have the light under there as well. You're going to have a traditional pin box here. So if you do want to upgrade this, talk with your salesperson about maybe putting like a Moore ride or a Kurt Air ride or something like that on there. You got a couple blue lights, 3 different bright LED lights up there. You also, again, have the model number right there on the front, the 389DEK. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this quick tour. We are going to be doing more detailed tours on a whole bunch of new 2026s rolling out here very, very soon. Those are starting to hit the market here this month. So be sure to remember to subscribe, smash that like button, help out the channel, because we will be doing more and more of the 26s and getting a little more frequent with the videos as we've been waiting for those to come out. Thanks again, guys. Check them out.